Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com, and I want to thank 5 Star Dental Lab, specifically Dr. Ahmad Keichour, for sending me these models to review. This is some pretty cool stuff they're doing at 5 Star. If you guys aren't familiar with 5 Star Lab, they are located in Denton, Texas, and they service all of the United States. They are a good ortho lab if you're looking for a lab. They do metal 3D printing, which is great if you aren't familiar with metal 3D printed expanders or appliances. They are much stronger than your traditional banded appliances because they are metal 3D printed, which eliminates a lot of the solder joints. So you're less likely to have breakage, and you also don't have to put spacers in. It basically seats like an onlay. So you can see this is the lower component. It's very nice. And you can, if you do this, you can expand as long as your first molars are in, your 6s. You can go ahead and do expansion even in the primary dentition. I'm totally fine with that. Just keep in mind that without the guidance, sometimes your front teeth might come in a little wonky and you won't, and the phase 1's going to take a little while because your job doing phase 1 treatment is to not only fix the bite and create the space and fix the AP and fix the vertical, but to also ensure that upper and lower 2 to 2 or 7 through 10, 23 and through 26 comes in properly. So sometimes instead of being able to do a 2x4 at the same time as the expander, you're gonna have to wait until those front teeth come in. Of course, creating more space will facilitate them coming in often straight to begin with, but no guarantees. So your phase 1 might not be done in 6 months or 8 months. You may have to do your expansion, hold it, and then reevaluate once the front teeth come in. So it just maybe makes it a little bit longer. On the left side here, this is an appliance I actually asked for. I'd seen this recently. It is an expander with a twin block built in. So yes, you can do that. Pretty cool stuff. So there's acrylic on this expander that has the twin block wings. So traditionally twin blocks are removable, kind of like Invisalign with MA, but this has the twin block wings built onto the expander, and it's not like a huge hygiene mess. So I really like it because it's very minor. Like this isn't gonna trap a lot of plaque and everything, nor is it really gonna affect the occlusion long term or anything like that. I think it's pretty slim and streamlined. And of course, you're going to get some intrusion in this area just because you have the blocks, not unlike you do with Invisalign with MA or twin blocks. But I really like this appliance for somebody who's really looking for class 2 correction and growth modification, but maybe really doesn't want Invisalign with MA or doesn't want a removable twin block. Of course, remember, quicksand here, you have to do this before these teeth all start coming in and out. So there's a timing factor to using this, but you can see how incredibly slim it is. Let's see if I can get this one off. Not sure if I can. I think that one's actually glued on, but this one might be glued on as well. Let's see. Oh yeah, they glued this one on, but pretty cool stuff. You can see how it works. So thank you so much for 5 Star Dental Lab for sending me these models. Definitely you guys want to reach out to them, or if you want an intro, reach out to me and I'll be glad to send them to you. All right, thanks so much.